So guys, welcome to Success Spa, where you have everything. We have everything. This is where the magic happens. The waxing, the pedicure, all the curable is here. The knuckles, where you have knuckles, just come to Success Spa. They can remove everything for you, your facials and even the massage. And even the waxing, they can do it here. This is the face steamer. Come, let me show you the big steamer that you can use for your own body. So this is a big steamer where you can go inside here. Even me, I can go here and you see when you come out, you look like a little baby, the newborn baby. The prices are very cheap. The promo is going to start on the 5th of December to 10th of December. 40% discount. So why don't you rush? Everybody should rush and come and do this and then enjoy yourself. Look good for your man, look good for your husband, look good for your wife. You can even look good for your dad. So at Success Spa, they don't do happy ending. So if you are expecting happy ending, I don't think this place is not the right place for you. You can contact them on their social media.
Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Instagram.